How to deactivate your TikTok account.
Note that we're going to be talking about deactivating it, which is kind of like suspending it, allowing you to reactivate it anytime. If you want to delete it completely, that's for a different video. But let's look over how to deactivate your account on TikTok. To start, tap on the icon with 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner. On the box that pops up, tap Settings and Privacy, or you can just look for the gear icon. On this page, tap on Accounts. Now, at the very bottom, tap on Deactivate or Delete Account. Since we're only going to be deactivating it instead of deleting it permanently, let's tap on Deactivate Account. Again, if you want to delete it permanently, click on Delete Account instead. Here you'll see a warning page that will explain more about what deactivating your account actually does. Tap on the Deactivate button to continue the process. You'll see that it sends a 6-digit code to your phone. Simply type this code in and then tap on Deactivate Account. Now, I'm actually not going to go further right now because I don't want to deactivate my accounts. But before you tap on the button, just know that you'll need your TikTok login information if you want to activate it again later. That's it. Before you go, check this out.